Hi everyone, it's your girl Key. Welcome to Island Beauty. Today, I know I've been out once again for a moment, but you know, I'm here. That's what counts, right? So for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a tutorial on my afro. This is my signature look, but I haven't worn my afro in a while, very long while. That's because I've been doing a lot of protective styling, a lot of locks. Yes, basically just locks. Let me tell you, baby, I have been reaping the reward of doing protective styling. My only regret is that I went a little too tight on my edges for my locks at one point, and so I have a lot of breakage on the front of my hair. See the thickness here, and then it gets thinner. Trust me, the growth. Hey guys, it's voiceover Nikki. So I started out on freshly washed hair. Do not ask why I was doing these faces, because I'm gonna tell you. I was trying to do a thumbnail, but that didn't work out. So I'm grabbing for my straightening brush. I have been using this for a while now, and it has been great so far. A real great help, especially when I want my style stretched. So I'm separating the twists in my hair. I actually washed my hair like this, and it was so much better. I'm working in sections, so I'm just gonna comb that out. I'm gonna go in with my homemade oil. Y'all, I'm trying this out. I'm hoping for better growth. I'm gonna go in with my oil, and then I'm gonna put that on my hair and also my scalp, and go in with my straightening brush. So once I'm through, I'm just gonna put that away in a bantu knot until I've done all the sections, and you'll see me once I'm done. So I'm back, all sections were completed, and so I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail and get to it. Y'all, I was burning. The heat is not for the weak. So I'm going in with my Eco Styler gel. I do not use a lot of gel. A little goes a far way in my opinion, or at least for me. I start twisting. Once I'm through with that twist, I'm just gonna go ahead and do bantu knots. They are literally bantu knots. The only difference is they are not as close to the scalp as a regular bantu knot. I'm just gonna do all of my hair. I didn't show all of the clips because that would just be too much footage. I don't want you guys to be bored. So right here, I was all finished, ready for bed. I got my hair tied. I was out of it. I was so tired. So I just wrap this up, and then you will see me the next day when I'm looking all cute. Bye. Guys, the time is so hot. So it's the next day. I actually started out separating, well, unraveling the bantu knots already, but it's very easy to take down. I just unravel the bantu knots, unravel the twists, and separated my hair where it didn't feel like I was disturbing the curl that was made, and I just twirl it in a direction that reduced the fuzziness. So this is what it looks like after unraveling all of my hair. And I'm going to go in with my hair pick, and I'm just gonna fluff it out until I get my desired look. Is or was my signature look when my hair was a bit shorter, and honestly I'm not really feeling it. I'm getting used to this look again. I haven't worn this in a while. I haven't been black, like fully black hair, in a while, so it's like, is this really me? Damn, that ain't me. I feel like I even look older. Maybe because I've just done it and I haven't really gotten the chance to actually let it sink in. This is the final result. There you go, saving me from